Alright, so today I just pulled up to this car show down here in Pleasant Hill. So, you know, I'm finna check it out, show y'all boys what it is. I'm waiting on my homeboy right now, but I'm finna get back to it. So,
you got a bitch of focus? You got a bit of focus?
You got the boys with the boys.
Yo.
Look at the boys. Let's get it. 12 already pulled up. I just got here. Yeah, appreciate it. Sorry. Damn. Hey, Brody. Hey, tell us about it for the vlog, bro. Tell us about it. Yo, tell us about it.
What car is it?
Like almost 800 horsepower. 800 horsepower? Dang.
720.
Right. But they not supposed to be here, bro.
You need to try to get some gas. Hey, you vlogging the wrong car. You gotta go to the silver car.
Just interior.
Hey, bro, this hard, bro.
This.
It's hard.
16.
It's hard, bro.
Thanks, man. It's a pleasure.
Hey, bro.
Yeah, appreciate you, dog. That car hard, bro. Tell us about it.
I mean, I'm building it for drift. I've done quite a bit to it. I just need to save up and get a bunch of tires. But I mean, I've got the wheels. I've got an angle kit, so it's like slightly out more than stock.
I like the bumper too. That's hard.
What's up?
I like the front. That's
Oh, the
hard.
dash bar? Yeah, let me show you. So I got my two lights on it. It's okay. And I got like this. I have nice to protect it from the rain.
Yeah.
Because I tried to start it one time after it rained and the intakes were soaked. So I started the car and I got water in that sensor. So the car just kind of bugged out. So I put this to protect it from rain, and it has like water resistant bags on it now.
Question.
Yeah.
Is this your brand? Like, it's your logo for your brand or something?
Yeah, Voided.
It's like a brand or something?
So what you sell?
What's up?
What's the logo for?
The logo is my group. We're Voided. We have a couple cars. We just got a 91 NSX to our group. This Beamer right here is also in my group.
This hard. Is yours?
This car's mine.
Oh, this is like for you. This is your car. So what car you have? Oh, really? That's you?
Okay.
Okay.
Hey, bro, do it one more time for the camera. Do it one more time.
Okay. Question. So like these little like switches right here.
Yeah.
What are they for?
Okay, so the one all the way on the left is for my underglow.
Okay.
The one all the way on the right is for the little lights on the bar. The one in the middle is for the sensor. That's the yaw sensor. Because I put the angle kit, it would freak out the yaw sensor and kind of lock my diff, so it would kind of freak out. So that one in the middle just disables that sensor entirely and fixes the issue.
Hey, you said what else you trying to do to it?
I want to drift it. I just need to get a bunch of tires and a couple other things like suspension stuff.
When did you start modding it?
So I got it like maybe just over a year ago, like in May last year. And then my first mod was in like March.
Hey, shout out to baby. Oh yeah, shout out to baby.
Nice meeting you too. Even my Instagram.
Hey, get the Instagram.
It's on the other side.
Well, your car is sucking dick.
Oh, snap. Wait. Bro, that's definitely.
That shit sound almost louder than a gunshot.
Bro. Damn. This shit growling. Damn, bro, this shit hard. That shit
You said what?
He's just gonna blow up. All right, so the Lambo just pulled up.
You gonna talk to him?
Nah, I ain't gonna talk to him. Damn. All right, dog. See? Damn. You said what?
Say you gonna take what?
Bro, I'm not taking your pic. Bro, I'm not taking your pic. This not your car. It's not your car. Oh my God, man. It's not. Hey, man, y'all check out the mics. These one of yours? Nah. Go with yours? Dang. Hey, bro. Which one of yours? Okay.
Which one?
This hard, bro.
This one?
Yeah.
What's this called?
Kawasaki Z900.
Wow.
How much did it cost?
Kawasaki.
How much did it cost?
This right here, man, I'm about to use, man, below miles. I bought it for 4,500.
4,500.
Well, technically, I bought it for 5,000. But that was like 01
Handset or anything?
Yeah, man, I got Yoshi exhaust, man. You know, I got some aftermarket cosmetic stuff. Nothing too crazy though. You know,
You can rev it? You can rev it for me?
You say what?
You can rev it?
This for the YouTube, not for the tube.
How fast it go?
For the tube.
Watch out, he for the rev.
You gonna rev it? All right. Hey, man. All right, man.
Hey, my man's right there in the white boots.
Hey, Honda boys. Honda boys.
Bubba?
Where you at, bro? Hey, bro, when the dude revved the motorcycle, bro, my phone had ran out of storage, so I couldn't record it. But I think my homeboys got it. I'm finna see if they send me the clip. So yeah. But yeah, we got way more cars to check out. I'm finna get back. Yeah, I'm yeah, this rap hard, bro. Oh, damn.
Flick up, boy. Flick up.
Hey, flipped up. Yo, these rips are hard, fam.
Oh, hell no. I don't hear that.
You finna holler? What you said, though? What you said?
There's the way bro bring that to the car meet family.
Bro gotta go home. Bro.
Just not here.
Hey, T.
We can't never go nowhere.
Sorry, Jeff.
I'm 22 minutes away.
Hey,
Jim. No L-Mans.
we just got to the car meet and bro gotta go home already.
No,
I tell you, bro, they don't hop off the meet, bro. I'm trying to tell you,
but
bro.
don't you go to college tomorrow, bro?
I leave tomorrow, and they won't let me stay, bro.
No, how do you feel about that, bro?
Just got here, T. Like, why we gotta go, bro?
Tell that to my parents.
What you mean, bro? We just got here, bro.
Yeah, man. This what happened with the boys, man.
Hey, bro. But real stuff.
Yes, he is.
At my first.
Yes, he is.
At my first car meet. I should say it's a success right now. You know, I've seen a lot of exotic stuff. Well, not exotic, but a lot of classes. I can't complain. All you hear is engines.
Engines.
All you hear is engines. Hey, bud.
We
Keep
got the
going.
ladies with us.
Damn.
We got Miss Marie.
Okay.
We got Lil' Kay.
I see you, boy.
He don't give a fuck. He don't give a fuck.
Bro, this car hard as hell. But real shit, if these cars brought their shit, bro, I could have brought my car. Be present, I could have brought my shit, but it's cool. Damn. This shit hard, boy.
They missing the whole bottom.
All you hear is engines. All you hear is roaring, bro. Ain't no eco boost, ain't none of that. You smell the gas, nigga. And I ain't talking about no weed, nigga. Nigga, they got deep.
Now let's go.
Talk about your whip. I mean, y'all know what the fuck going on. 1 pound family, 2 different cents in this motherfucker. Whole lot of activity going on. Loud music, fast cars, bad bitches, whole thing.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Let me go to get it. Let me get the front. Let me get the front. Let me get the front.
We all lined up. Huh? I already got it. Hey, bro, how you feel about it, dog? How you feel about it?
Honestly, bro, this junk, like, I don't know too much about cars, but like, you can tell niggas like are passionate about their cars. They're doing all this. I can never, me personally. But I'm gonna bring it to my car and make it like that. I don't give a damn.
Bro, all right,
I
you're trolling.
no kids if I'm gonna date my car like this. I can have no kids.
I would have talked to a nigga with a scat. What unit is it? This shit do. This shit hard. How much you spend?
How much for the shirt? How much for the shirt? How much for the shirt? I see the shirt. I see the shirt. I went to the shirt.
I can't even tell you. I just went to the mall today.
You got the purple jeans on.
Purple jeans. How much for the shirt?
You should know.
Okay. How much for the shirt? How much for the hat? I see the fucking hat. You know I gotta say.
It's probably like $20 for like.
How much the glasses?
Hey, I appreciate it, dog.
Appreciate it, bro.
Appreciate it, bro. Appreciate it.
Oh my.
That shit's good.
That's a lot of fun in here for sure.
Anybody repping that shit?
Nigga, I wouldn't rent my shit either. Where? Nigga, you said. Yo, this shit loud as hell, fam. Oh, I'm finna watch out. Ain't no way. They gotta go again. They gotta go again. Oh. You said what?
I can't.
Oh, you better hit it. You better hit it. You better hit it. Hey, wait. Oh, you said what? What's up?
What you got?
Oh, shit.
What you got? What car you got?
Bro.
Oh my God, nigga, they said, what car you got?
Bro. Hey, bro, I ain't gonna lie. They talking about lining up this shit, bro. Real shit, me personally, I'm not bringing my shit here because my shit don't sound nothing like it. So,
I got you. This shit too funny.
Hey yo, you do a YouTube video, and I heard you say that jump weed. What car you got?
Arcamaro, 1LE.
What color?
White.
you want here?
Hey, I come over there?
Yeah, come back. See, you're not loud.
Are you trying to show me up?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, shit, he not playing.
You know what I do? I care him to do it. Come on now.
He not
Try
playing.
me though. I got you.
He,
I got you. Hey, really? What's up with that?
oh shit.
You racing?
How many races have you won? All right, what's your name?
All right, he got up.
he can count on his hand how many he lost.
That big clean. Hey, do it again, do it again, do it again. Bye bye. Hey, man. He said, appreciate it, man. Appreciate that.
I had to get him on there, man. I had to.
Yeah, nigga want smoke, tell him pull up, nigga. Hey, 6 speed, don't do the automatic. I got big money. Oh!
Why? But why you too quick?
My shit automatic.
It was magnified, balance, and blueprint.
I got an O2 Accord. It's sitting over there. It's hidden though. He didn't ask. He didn't ask.
It don't stop.
That's not trolling. He didn't ask you.
He said what kind of car y'all got?
No, he said what kind of car you.
Y'all, as a plural.
Clearly wasn't listening, so you give a damn.
I guess not.
It don't stop milking.
It don't. Hold on, wait. I didn't talk to the troll. I didn't talk to the troll who said I just beat. I didn't talk to him. I didn't know what car he got.
Hey, rabbit. Rev that shit.
Wait, that's the YouTube. That's the YouTube. I need flick.
Wait, what's the name?
Come on. It's that YouTuber that be doing. They got cars.
Damn, you hear that shit?
Yeah, I got what grand in my diamond, yeah, buster. Cool $250,000, my go yard duster. I win the game, so you still gotta shuffle. Bone with the drip and just learn how to hustle. Look at your